Okay, here is the second part, adding Ibotta toolbar to the Chrome. Alright, so when you type it in, you go here, type into the Ibotta, which you can go to right here. And when you click on here, it says, it'll ask you to sign in, you know, add to Chrome, it's free. Come here, it says add, I already got it on here, so, okay, after you do that, it will go to, thank you for installing. It says here's how to get cash with the browser extension. Okay. Browse retailers. Okay. Up here it has Instacart, Ship, Target, HEB, and all the others. Right. It's got a long, long, long list. You can look for whatever. Down, down. Okay. I'm going to just go all the way back up. Now, we can go to Walmart. Okay. This is the thing, because I got the Rakuten. That's annoying. Remind me later. Now it's going to ask to link your Walmart account. Okay. So, we are going to I know I'm putting this up because it's still not. Oh, jeez. All right, now once you verify, it would ask you to verify. So once you verified everything, this is what will show up when you get done with it. You can have it right here, and click back on it for opening. You could also put it on the left side, but nah, I like it on the right side. All right, like my bonuses. I haven't really done anything because like this, I need 30 offers to make $10. You're about to be seeing green or $10 when you redeem 30 offers. I mean, if you get the offer, it could be like you could probably only need 15 offers or 5. Okay, redeem 30 unique offers. That means one at a time. Any item and any brand offers will count towards the bonus. Sometimes the any item and any brands don't count. Eligible offers that are pending for cash when the bonus expires will still count towards the bonus exclusion. Offers redeemed more than once on a receipt will only count one time towards the bonus. Purchases made before 4/22/21 fine print. Ibotta reserved the right to adjust the bonuses at any time. And then, it tells you right here where the expiration date is. Like this, I'm not going to be able to make it for the 110 offers. Right? Now, the list is here. We can choose what you want. I haven't got all this stuff right now. Okay. That's the stuff I have on here. Oh, on the bonuses also, scroll down in progress. Like the macaroni and cheese. I gotta do 1 of 5 offers redeemed. Okay. And the General Mills. 1 of 3 offers redeemed. Once you get 3 separate transactions, you'll get to 50 cents. Okay. Now, and here you can search for things to see if anything's in there, but you can go here. Let's see. This is Walmart.com. I'm not sure, but go to pick up and delivery. Okay, go to like fruits and vegetables. Okay, Drop off fruits. And it's not showing, so let's do it this way. We go on here, click on, just click on this right here, left click. No. Dumbass. Oh, what I'm doing. Hit the shop button. Okay. Alright. Let's see if I do that. So on here, if it's eligible for Ibotta, it will be up here. If it's not on the list, if it's on Ibotta's list and you don't have it clicked on, it'll tell you. Usually it'll be red, but this basically tells you what you get. This is 10 cent back for Viola or whatever it is. And here's the Bird's Eye Oven Roaster sheet pan broccoli and cauliflower, 40 cent back. So you pay the $2.97 and you get on your Ibotta app, you'll get 40 cent back. Okay. So here we go. This is in red. You just click on it, and there we go. And let's see how we can do the offers. And up here, you hit the browse offers. The load. Let's see. And here is a list of stuff. Like General Tso's chicken. You can, and it'll tell you how many minutes is left. This is just for ordering. I just got it on here, but you know, if you're in your store, you can get it. And if you had it just now, then you know, so 75%, 75 cents back percent. Oh, I'm gonna add that again. 25 cent back. Limit 5. Enter. And then up here, it'll have you for you and buy again. Let's see, click on it. I have already bought this stuff. Actually, that one was buy one and you get to get all the money back. So that's why it's on there now. Caribou. So that's the stuff for buy now. I mean, buy again, buy now. And there's any items. You know, frozen entree, rice, lettuce, dog food, cat food, diapers, vanilla hair color, ginger beer. Ginger beer. Sound like I said ginger beer. Diaper rash, frozen pizza, and booze. And they'll show you down here. Well, I do it this way. This is pet food. Now it says $3 back for Meow Mix Tasty Layers, but it has to be the 13-pound bag. But sometimes when you have it on there, if you have it on there, it'll automatically go onto your Ibotta app on your phone too, for the Walmart. And you can actually click on what you have on there and click on this right here on the app, and I think it'll give you a chance to do a barcode just to make sure. And this also tells you where you can also get it from Target. Okay. And get all this stuff. This stuff. I wish it would have 9 lives on here, but okay. And you can also get other. Right now, it's $2 back on Hallmark Mother's Day card. $2.97 or above. That's why you can do the barcode sometimes. You gotta buy 2, but sometimes you can get one that's less than $1. You can get both the cards that's less than $1, but you got to scan the barcode. And then toys. What was it? And here, like I said, here's the booze, the spirits. $2.75 back on Crown Royal. Captain Morgan. Jose Cuervo, whatever. Okay, so here's some of the alcohol. Okay. I know that's a weird can, but cool. And wine. Wine. And beer. Let's see. 170, 150 back for Budweiser 6-pack. $2 back to Michelob Ultra. And here's some stuff. And you got breakfast, meat, seafood, candy, sweets, kids and babies, health and wellness, pet, toys, other, dairy, pantry, beverages, frozen, produce, personal and beauty and personal care, household. I mean, if you use coupons, you can add with these too. So save some more money. Like beverages, meat, and this stuff. So, and let's see. You can go to all kinds of places. It's just go in, and the toolbar will automatically read what site you're on. And if you can order food through that site, you can go ahead and do it. Because mostly like this is for pickup. But there is some stuff that, like, you can shop for the soft soap. And it goes right here to pick up and delivery. Or you can do it on here. And let's click the soft soap again for the Walmart.com. But it can take, see, Walmart, still did put delivery. So this is what we're going to do. Soft soap, hand soap, copy, Walmart.com, paste, search. Let's see. Usually it pops up on here. Oh, it's got to have that exact bottle. And it's hard to find certain things. Here we go. That's from Pro Seller. That's the hard part when you're trying to order something through .com. It could take a bit to get the item. And I've had problems with getting the money on that, but I've gotten money back for some of the stuff. And then we've got... I know I'm dragging this out. Sorry. I'm just brain farting right here. But if you want to see if something's on here, do like me. How do you spell Maybelline? Maybelline. Click on it. No offers. Go here. Click on here. Here, care. Click in there. It'll tell you if they got an offer. And there. Your color. You just click on this right here. It'll add it. And then we want to take it off. There's an X right here. Exit off. Okay. And then when you order, like to put pick up and delivery, and when you order that, it'll come over here. Mine says EBT because I do have EBT right now. And then when you go to checkout, let's see, put something on there. Let's see, open this, go to my list, like shop. See if that's on there. Because sometimes they do not have it, but sometimes they'll give you, but then if you buy something, the thing about the Walmart though, I got the Walmart plan. We'll have to go in depth on that one. Anyways, like that, 25% back. You click on it, it'll go to here. Let's close this out. You see there. And then check out. and then ask you if you want to either previously purchased or offer other stuff sometimes, and then continue to check out, and then yada yada yada. You do all that checkouting, and then it will tell you congratulations. Ibotta will. It can take up to 24 hours to put the money onto your account. Depends on when you're ordering this. It could be if you order in the middle of the night, it'll be the next day anyway. So give it just say 24 hours. But if you ordered it before the time limit is up, I believe it counts. So, and I don't know if this was as informative as it's supposed to be, because I'm not like all these other people. I'm going to show you this and I'm going to show you that. This is just me and my own words and my own stuttering, crazy, slow way. And then maybe eventually I'll show you how I do the fetch and what I do to like when I go on here and I pay for my stuff, and how to do the receipts. You can actually take pictures and use them as receipts for the fetch rewards. Okay. And that's enough of that. So let's close that, and yeah, that says Steven because it's in my husband's name. Alright, well, I am done here. I hope it was as informative as I hope it was. If not, I am sorry. But that is how you do add the whatever the Ibotta app to the toolbar, so you can use Ibotta. Because like I said, you do that, you can do Target, just other places, and they'll tell you, it's now that it's linked. Sometimes it unlinks on you, so you can go to other places and it'll tell you, and if you're on that list that's on that place, you could probably get the stuff and stuff. So, alright, well, I think I'm done. So, that's it. See you later.